What's up, gang? Time to go outside. The internet's off, so we gotta give it a check, see what's going on out here. I still don't know how to turn the camera around on a video, so hang on. Damn, it sucks. Step out of this. Oh, get out. Walking on a iceberg. There should be something. Should be something cool. Let's get up to this. That's not cool. See that crack? Right there? See this crack? See the leak? Yes. Okay, it cracked. Because Cotton took a leak right there last night in them bushes, and the whole iceberg cracked. No joke. Can't make it up. Like we're living in the ice age. Stupid cat. Ooh, Cotton. Stop that! You'll throw up! No more. Wow. That's cool. Look at this. This is some. We got no business. Break it down. Oh, Glory's still flying over there. Cotton, stop. Okay, gang. This bird has froze to death. Or something. I don't know what the hell. I think he's stuck in there. He's still breathing though. Must have been one hungry bird. Come on, little bird. Hang on. Come on, little bird. Come on. Come on, buddy. Come out. I can't get him out. Oh, shit. I can't get the damn bird out. He's definitely stuck in there. Y'all see him? What can I do? Come on, little bird. Come on. Oh my God, what if I accidentally pull his head off or something? I can't get it out of the tree because the carabiners froze. Come on, little bird. I know you're still alive in there. Come on. Get your little head out. Alright. Update incoming. Alright. This will probably be a disaster, but the little bird's still stuck. How the heck am I going to get him out without ripping his head off? That's the question. Look at him. Can you see? Alright. I'm going to try to take this down and figure out how to get him out of there. God, who knows how long he's been there? Well, I was too busy saving his life to record it, but I pushed his little head down in there and he was able to escape and he flew off. No shot. Saved his life. Check.